Hi boys and girls. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and how to add text boxes to a Google Slides presentation. Sometimes I may ask you to do that in assignments, so it's good for you to practice and learn how to do it now. There are two ways that you can add an image or insert an image on Google Slides. The first way I'm going to show you is if you go to the top where it says File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Slide, Arrange, Tools. These are your drop-down menus. And when we're going to add an image or even a text box, you're going to go to Insert and click Insert. There you will see a whole drop-down menu with a lot of options. So when you want to insert an image or a picture, you would go to Image and highlight that, and there will be an arrow and come up with more options. You're going to use a Chromebook, so the most used option you're going to do is the search on the web option, but you may even be asked to use your camera to take a picture, like if you're going to take a selfie or if you're going to insert a picture of some work you did on paper, then you would use your camera, which would turn on your camera on your computer, and then you would use that. But we're going to do searching the web. So again, image, search the web, and a box will pop up on the side. Search for images. Well, we can search for anything. You know, Miss Renner likes owls, and I like cute cartoony owls. So I'm going to do owls clip art because I want cute owls. And here I've come up with a bunch of owls. I'm just going to pick one that I like. I kind of like this trio of owls right here. So I'm going to click on it so it has a little checkbox, and then I'm going to hit Insert. It'll take a moment, but then it'll insert, and it'll have a nice blue box around it. Sometimes the image is going to be too big, or it might even be too small. So you'll go to the corner, one of the corners of your image box, and you'll see a little arrow that points outward. You're going to take that arrow, you're going to drag in the picture to make it smaller, drag it out to make it bigger. You can even make sure that the plus sign arrow is highlighted, and then you can drag the image to different places on your screen. The other way to add an image is by going to this symbol right here that looks like a picture with some mountains in it. And if you highlight it, it will drop down and say Insert Image. Then you'll click on the arrow. Again, you'll get the same choices that you got from hitting the button called Insert. Again, searching the web. And you can look up whatever you want on the image search. Remember, these are school devices, so you should be searching appropriate images to upload onto the computer. You also can drag them by clicking and dragging. It will also insert the image as well. So that's how you insert an image. You either click the little mountain frame image box, or you go to Insert, drop down Image, and search from the web. The other thing that we're going to practice doing is inserting text boxes. Sometimes, well, a lot of times, probably you'll need to insert a text box to then type a response either on your math prompt journal or any activity that I've given you. Maybe you deleted the text box by accident. So this is a way for you to add the text box back in without Miss Renner having to go and do it for you. So again, you can go to the Insert drop-down menu and insert text box. Then a little plus sign will appear on your slide, and you'll click and drag with your mouse, and a text box will appear with a blinking cursor. Then you can type anything you want into the box. I'm just going to type, "Hi, how are you?" And then you can really just add any response for a journal prompt or anything that you need to type on the box. You can make the box a little bit smaller. Say you didn't need such a big box. Again, you can drag the box just like you did the picture. So that's using Insert and text box. The other way to do it is next to where it says insert image, the little mountain frame, there's a little box with a T around it. That is a text box insert button. So again, you can click that box. It highlights in a yellow color up in the toolbar, and then you can drag the box and type away. Miss Renner is awesome because I'm a cool 5th grade teacher. Again, there are 2 ways to add images and text boxes, either using the insert drop-down menu or the 2 images on the toolbar, text box or image. After you finish watching this video, you will be required to do a task. Please make sure that you carefully read the instructions for the task and complete it so that I know you know how to add an image and a text box onto Google Slides.